Therapy is really broad. It can do a lot, I think. It can work with a lot of different things. There's, as I was mentioning before, I often think of therapy as people come to therapy usually because they're going along with life and then something happens where they're going through a mental difficult time and they feel like they're going to the minus one. And then therapy is a place to try to work through whatever that difficulty is, anxiety, depression, addiction, a whole bunch of mental dysregulation. But then I think another thing that's really good with therapy is not just getting back to zero or neutral, but it's an opportunity to go to plus one, where people can actually discover who they really are, find meaning and purpose through, a famous quote, the crack is where the light gets in. So the crack being the minus one, the difficulty, the disease. But then through that, there's the possibility of the light or, more creativity and joy or meaning and purpose coming through a good therapeutic environment, I think. I would say a lot of clients come to therapy because of relationship difficulties, because there's been trauma in their history around relationships, or there's something specifically that's they're finding very difficult in their relationships today. And that's one of the good things about therapy is that it is a relationship. So you're kind of learning or trying to develop a safe, trusting space to be able to share things that in their history might have got wounded, or they had to hide from themselves or hide from others. So having a good therapeutic relationship provides a place for people to be actually working through relationship wounds in a way that I think can be very effective.